This is the Oraimo FreePods 3, an affordable pair of true wireless earbuds with great sound quality, impressive battery life, stylish design, IPX5 water resistance, and also boasts of environmental noise cancellation. And this one is the 2BB edition tuned for Afrobeats. What up guys, Izzy here and welcome to the channel. So yep, you are looking at the Oraimo FreePods 3, actually the 2BB tuned special edition for Afrobeats. Now these earbuds are a nicely fitting pair of true wireless earbuds which I find quite comfortable and affordable too. These will cost you just about 16,000 naira. Now the FreePods 3 comes in this lovely looking box which contains the buds and its accessories. Within the box you will find the buds itself and its carrying case which boasts 28 hours of power capable of giving the buds 3 extra charges. The second layer of the box contains a USB-C cable for charging the buds. Yep, it charges via USB-C. And you have a leaflet which doubles as a user guide and warranty certificate. You will also find a couple of extra tips, different sizes in case you prefer bigger or smaller tips. To connect the FreePods 3 for the first time, you have to first remove the protective film on the connecting part of the buds so it can charge with the case. It is easy to get paired for the first time. You will have it flashing red and green lights which indicates that it's ready to pair. Once connected, the lights stop flashing. You only need to pair it once. When the case is closed with the buds in, it disconnects automatically. To reconnect, you have to open the case and it will reconnect easily. The Oraimo FreePods 3 has Bluetooth 5.2 for connectivity and has a range of up to 10 meters. It also has an IPX5 certification, that is for water and sweat resistance, so if you have to use it for workout, you don't have to worry about damaging it with sweat or if you ever find yourself in the rain. It has 45 mAh battery on the buds and 500 mAh on the case. It boasts of up to 8 hours of playtime with the buds and the case can give it 3 extra charges. Charging the case takes up to 2 hours and you have the 3 lights to indicate its battery level. If the earbuds is completely drained, you can get 40 minutes of playtime with just 5 minutes of charge from the case. The Oraimo FreePods 3 does not look very different from the FreePods 2 in design, but this time it comes with ear tips for better fit, and not just better fit, better bars when the tips are fitted. Oraimo calls it bars mode, and when the tips are not fitted, it is awareness mode. In this mode you are able to hear a little bit of your surrounding. Personally I prefer having the tips on always as that is more comfortable and with better sound as I like my music with good bass. I find the sound quality of the FreePods 3 to be really good for its price. Now no matter how you prefer your music to be, it will serve the purpose. It gives you clear sound with good quality and it also gets loud enough. The sound is balanced from both earbuds and the bass is punchy. While it doesn't have active noise cancellation, it does a pretty good job of blocking out noise from your surroundings. If you prefer to have some of the sound from the environment, you can use it in awareness mode, that is without the rubber tips. Sadly, it doesn't have any app you can connect to tweak sound profile or equalizer settings. That would have been really nice to have. Now the Oraimo FreePods 3 fit perfectly into the ears. They are not too big nor too small and they won't fall off easily even when you are running or working out. It has touch controls on the top part of the earbuds. To pause or play media, you can tap twice on any of the earbuds. To skip to the next track, you tap and hold the right earbud for 1.5 seconds. To skip to the previous track, you tap and hold the left earbud for 1.5 seconds. If you tap 3 times on any earbud, you will activate the voice assistant on your smartphone. For calls, you can tap twice to answer or end a call. To decline a call, you can tap and hold for 2 seconds. One thing missing that would have made the touch controls complete is volume control. You can't do that from the earbuds, you have to use your phone. Using the FreePods 3 for calls is great and clear. I used it for calls and I could hear clearly what the person on the other end was saying and they could also hear me clearly too.
Okay, so the audio you're currently listening to is being recorded by the Oraimo FreePods 3 into my phone, currently using a Bluetooth recorder app, so I can get an audio from the earbuds so you know what it sounds like when recording using this, or maybe probably when answering or making a call. It's currently raining outside and I have my air conditioner on, so it might pick a little of that sound, but yeah, you get the idea.
In summary, I'll say the Oraimo FreePods 3 is great value for money. It has great battery life, it seems durable too, and it has water resistance. The sound quality is great for both calls and for music. For its price, I'll say it's a good buy. And that is all from me. Peace.